Hello, Harvesty here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Waze app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go to the Play Store, go to the search bar, Waze, find your app and check if you have the newest version. I don't have here, so I just click the update bar and I just gonna update the app. After you update the app, should be everything fine, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way, go to the settings, go to the apps, see all, Finder, Waze, permissions, and maybe you just need to allow all, not the allowed, like here, allow them all. After this, go to Wi-Fi data storage and recipient mobile data usage. After this, everything should be cool. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is just reinstalling the app like this. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.